you can write your own affirmations by using really incredible starters. So these starters are I am. So you could add anything after that. I am abundant. Another starter word is I feel. I feel amazing. And then there's I do. I do great work. I do show up. I do it. And then there's I love. I love finishing projects. I love getting up early in the morning. Then there's I speak. I speak words of confidence. And then I see myself accomplishing what I want. I see good things in my life. I understand. I understand that this is a fantastic opportunity. I understand my next step. Then there's I choose. I choose greatness. I choose confidence. I choose wealth. I decided. I decided I'm doing it today. I decided I'm confident. I decided I'm strong. And then there's I declare. I declare I am blessed. I declare I am worthy. So when you use these starter words, anything that you put after that becomes an affirmation. So go ahead and choose some of your favorites and get started creating your own really powerful affirmations so you can be truly a deliberate creator in your life.